Hi guys, let's take a look at another Excel error equal name error. The top reason why the name errors appears in the formula is because there's a typo in the formula name. So what does that mean? Let's take a look at some example. In these examples, I have a range from A2 to A5. I want to know the average for A2 and A5, so I type average A2 and A5, and the name errors show up. So what's that? Let me type the formula text, and I can see I spell the average wrong. So that's why the name errors appears. So some method we can correct the name error. Number one, of course, is make sure the function name is correct. So back to this example, because I typed the average, the function is wrong. So I put the right name average to A11 to A14, and I can get the right answer. There are some tips can help you to make your function right. The first one is use the tab. For example, I know average star AVE, then I can see that's the right thing for average. And when I move my arrow down to average, and I can press tab, then Excel will automatically choose the right function for me. It's called average, and I can select my range, and here we go. And the other tips is use the formula wizards. Here's a tab in Excel, is called formulas. And first, you can use insert functions, and you click that one and find the average. Then click OK. Then, and here is the function agreement. It can help you to put your right range. I want average from A26 to 29, and I click OK, and you will see Excel will automatically choose the right functions for you. And the second is use the function library. So function library is also in formula, and you can choose the different function from different category. So for example, the average is normally in auto sum, so also click the average, then choose the right range and press enter. Yeah, so Excel will use the right function for you. So that's the today tips for how to correct the number error. Hope you guys enjoy the tips today. Let's see you next time. Bye.